This is my full bridal look on Amelia. I like a targeted pore primer after skin prep, and a glowy highlighter on the high points of the face, blended in. Next, I'm taking a thin foundation that has great coverage, tapping and buffing it into the skin. With my color fluid in Carve, I'm using this as an all-over bronzer and contour to give dimension. Then I'll go in with a pinky peach color corrector. Follow that up with a brightening concealer to add light and lift, creating a spotlight finish. With my color fluid in Heartist, I'm taking this rosy color and mixing it in with a glowy blush, applying this on the cheeks and blending it in. Going back with Carve as an all-over eyeshadow color. This truly is a one and done shade. Creating a smudged out chocolate liner with my Intra pencil. This chocolate brown is stunning. I'm using my Monochromance gradient palette and setting everything with shadows, creating more depth in the crease, and smoking it out. Using the beige to diffuse the edges, smoke the lower lash line, and adding a shimmery top coat to the center of the lids, filling in any small gaps in the brows, and setting them in place. Applying mascara and individual lashes, and contouring the tip of the nose. I'm spot highlighting with a very soft highlighter. I love a shimmery blush topper, and setting the face with my favorite pink toned loose powder, and a puff. A light bronzer to tie all the colors in harmony, and going back in with my palette to contour the lips, then lining them in with my lip tone in Hush, taking Heartist and dotting it on the lips, and blending it in, and apply a shimmery gloss on top. That completes my bridal look on Amelia, featuring warm peachy tones for a summer wedding.